Throughout my career, last 36 years, I've always believed that the consumer experience matters and the customer needs to be the focus of everything we do, particularly in marketing. The big change that has happened over these years is the use of data and analytics, which we didn't have available to us when I started my journey in advertising. The brand managers of the future need to have a deeper understanding of the consumer, give CXM the kind of power that it truly deserves. Having said that, I also strongly believe that you need a human interface. I don't think because a CXM can be completely digital. It cannot be run by AI and ML. It does need the human interface. So if someone can provide that human interface to technology, I think that'll be another big thing that we could do. One of the most irritating things, which is a large part of the whole CXM exercise, is not being able to have a continued conversation with the customer. I'm talking from a customer perspective this time, to be asked the same questions again and again and again. So I believe one of the most powerful technologies that need to come into place is to actually integrate all the conversations that the consumer is having with the brand in one place using one dashboard so that I can continue this conversation every time I interact. The entire organization exists to serve the consumer. If you don't do that, and if you don't understand this new emerging consumer before he understands himself or herself, I don't think brands are going to survive.